In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a pop-up page in Microsoft PowerPoint. This feature is a fantastic way to make your presentations more dynamic and engaging, and it's surprisingly easy to do. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. Whether you're working on a Windows PC or a Mac, you can do this by simply clicking on the PowerPoint icon. Once PowerPoint is open, you have the option to either open an existing presentation or create a new one. If you choose to start from scratch, this is the perfect time to add your photos, tables, and any other content you envision for your presentation. The idea is to set up your slides with all the necessary elements so they're ready to be linked together interactively. Now, think about the text or shape you'd like to turn into a hyperlink. This could be anything from a title or subtitle to an image or graphic shape. The key here is to choose something that makes sense for your audience to click on and that intuitively guides them to the information they want to explore further. Once you've selected the text or shape, it's time to create the hyperlink. You can do this in a couple of ways. The quickest way is by pressing the Control key along with the letter K on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can go to the Insert tab on the PowerPoint ribbon at the top of your screen and click on Link. Both these methods will open the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, which is where the magic happens. In this dialog box, look for the option labeled Place in this document. Selecting this allows you to create links within your presentation. You'll see a list of all the slides in your presentation. Now, it's time to decide which slide you want to link to. Choose the slide that best matches the content you're connecting from and select it from the list. You've now created a clickable link, as simple as that. When you're in presentation mode, clicking on this linked text or shape will take your audience to the chosen slide. This pop-up effect will create a seamless way for your audience to navigate through the information, making the presentation not just visually appealing, but also practical and user-friendly. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed a standard PowerPoint presentation into a more interactive and engaging one with pop-up pages. This technique is not only useful for educational purposes and business presentations, but also a fun way to present stories or guides. So, go ahead and experiment with different shapes and hyperlinks to see what works best for your own creative projects. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful PowerPoint tips and tricks.